Hi guys, I'm back with another video. If you may have noticed, this one is called Human Typewriter Challenge because while watching calligraphy videos on YouTube, I came up with doing this idea. So basically you find a quote, or you can make one up and paste it onto Word, Google Docs, or Pages like I did, or any other writing places, and change the font of every word. You then try to recreate it on a piece of paper using any ink you have, and I'm using Faber-Castell pens, but you can use Sharpie or anything else. And doing this, I was so nervous starting off because if I mess up, you can't erase it, so this really teaches you control over your pen and requires immense concentration. And I don't know if I just invented this challenge or something, but I mean, let's be real. When you think you made something up, chances are 50 other people before you thought the same thing. But I just wanted to share this with you guys if you want to try it out and see how many words you can get that are similar to the fonts. And when you do it right, trust me, it's so satisfying. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. So guys, at the end, a couple of words of my footage didn't record, but that's alright because I'm allowing myself to make mistakes since that's creativity. But also I know which footage to keep because that's art, according to this quote. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm trying to post every Sunday, so feel free to subscribe to see more. Bye! Until next time.